Hey guys, what's happening? I know you guys are so much excited to learn the basics of Elementor to kickstart your web design skills. And yes, I am also pretty much excited to show you guys this easy and most convenient tool that lets you create stunning design quickly. I'm Nandakishore and welcome to Digital RNK YouTube channel. Guys, if you are new around here, then smash that subscribe button because you're gonna get interesting and informative content for free. Okay, before I start, I just want to give you some insights about Elementor Page Builder. Elementor Limited is an Israeli-based software company providing web development services. It was founded in the year 2016 with over 5 million active installations worldwide. In general, this plugin allows WordPress users to create and edit websites by employing the drag and drop features with the built-in responsive mode. This cool plugin comes with a free version, and obviously if you want additional features, this plugin offers Pro version as well. The team is working super hard to make Elementor the better and most successful page builder in the coming days, which really matters a lot for the modern web designers. How does Elementor Page Builder work? Elementor is a page builder plugin that replaces the basic WordPress editor with the live front-end editor. So you can create complex layouts visually and design your website live without having to switch between the editor and the preview mode. The page builder enables you to reach top-notch quality design without needing to use code or CSS and without relying on developers' help. The user interface is extremely friendly. It only takes a few minutes to get the hang of it. This tool built with the latest technology and has kept updating it steadily since its launch in 2016. So the whole page builder is optimized and fast responsive. This means, for instance, that when you drag and drop widgets, it is done instantly without any lag time at all. So I'll take you to my computer screen where I'll show you how this plugin works. First, you need to install the Elementor plugin. So to do that, just go to plugins from your WordPress dashboard. Add new, and in the search box type Elementor. Once you get that, just click on install now. Once installed, click activate. In my case, it's already installed. Next, go to pages, add new page. Here the cool thing is you can't see the front end while editing. Always you have to edit and save and then go back to front end to see the changes. But Elementor has replaced this back end editor with the live front end editor. So just click on edit with Elementor and it will take you to this front end editor. Cool, right? Now guys, I will show you the interface of Elementor and what you should know before starting your web design. This is the site front end or page where you display your content. On the left hand side, Elementor widgets panel. Here you can find the widgets like heading, paragraph, images, video, gallery, tabs, button, and much more. You can also search the specific widgets in this search box. If you type image, we will get image, gallery, image box, and much more. Now let me add a section. To add a section, just click on this plus icon. You will get this section structure. You need to choose which type of section you want. Say now, single, double column or 3-column section. I will go with 3-column section. And now to add widgets to these columns, click on this menu icon and drag and drop the heading widget. And paragraph. And image widget. You can play around with it. To delete this section, just click here and it will be removed. Now down here, click on this gear icon. You can set the page title, change the status, draft, pending review, private or published. You can hide or show the title and choose the page layout. Next to that, you have navigator button. This will help you to jump to any section quickly, or you move any section just by clicking on the section in the navigator panel. Since I don't have any sections on my page, it is showing empty. Up next, you have history icon. This allows you to revert to previous versions of the editing you have done and switch to revisions tab for older versions. Next, we have preview button to quickly see how the page looks in the live site. You can toggle the preview mode or view to desktop, tablet or mobile. Last, you have this update button. Here, if you click on this arrow, you can save draft or make this as a template. If you are editing a page for the first time, then you will see publish option instead of update. I will go back to desktop mode. Elementor also offers a bunch of cool ready-made templates. Just click here or hold Ctrl plus Shift plus L keys at the same time. You will see this window. In free version, you have few page template options. You have blocks, if you have saved any template earlier, you can upload them here. I will add 2-column section to show you some more customization options. Make sure the section is selected. Here on the left hand side, you have this customization panel. Under this layout options, you have this column width, column gap. You can adjust the column height and set the alignment. Under style, you can choose the background color, set the border, shape divider, and the interesting part is in this typography, you have the option to choose the heading color, text color, link color, and set the text alignment. And the last option is advanced. Under this, you can adjust the margin and padding value, and this Z index allows you to keep the section on top of other section. Motion effects allow you to add entrance effect to any section. Responsive option allows you to show or hide any section in any of the devices like desktop, tablet or mobile. So that's it guys. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, then hit that subscribe button so that you won't miss any of my new videos, because I'll be making videos on my complete homepage design. So thank you guys, hope you have enjoyed this video. Guys, this year 2020 has been a super challenging year for the whole world. Lots of things happened, and I would like to say one thing, that's let's kickstart this new year 2021 with new goals and dreams. So I'll catch you guys in my next informative video. Until then, take care, keep learning new things. Bye.